In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM and Gmail. By the end, your Gmail inbox will be connected directly to Zoho CRM, so your emails and customer conversations are easier to track and manage in one place. First, make sure you're signed in to your Zoho CRM account and that you have the right permissions to change email settings. Once you're on your Zoho CRM dashboard, look for the small gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. This is your setup area where all the configuration options live. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup menu. From here, you'll see a variety of options, but we're interested in connecting communication channels. Find and select channels and then choose email. This is where Zoho lets you manage how your email accounts connect to the CRM. At the top, click on the Email Configuration tab. This section is dedicated specifically to linking your email providers, like Gmail, with Zoho CRM. If you haven't set anything up yet, you should see an option to get started. Click the Get Started button to begin the integration process. Next, Zoho will show you different email providers. Look for the Gmail icon and select it. This tells Zoho that you want to connect a Google account rather than another email service. Now you'll be asked to choose a protocol. You'll see two options, API and IMAP. API is recommended for security and better reliability, so unless you have a specific reason to use IMAP, go ahead and select API. After choosing the protocol, click Configure to move forward. A new window or prompt will appear asking you to sign in to your Google account. Use the account that you want to sync with Zoho CRM. Once you've logged in, Google will ask you to grant Zoho certain permissions so it can read and send emails on your behalf within the CRM. Review the permissions and then click Allow to confirm. After that, Zoho will bring you back to the email configuration screen where you'll choose your email sharing permissions. You can set your emails as private, meaning only you can see them, public, so your team can see relevant conversations, or custom, if you want more control over who has access. Pick the option that best fits your organization's privacy and collaboration needs. Finally, click Save or Update to apply your settings. Once that's done, your Gmail inbox is successfully synced with Zoho CRM, and you're ready to manage your emails directly inside your CRM workflow.